banga ba te yuma amaka yo banyara la ya yelo
so chakatin nga mara habitana jimo pune nti ha ku be kantan men yo mazasa njulumbo na bumwas GAIDA-COM TV zombo into te bako idbai dengare trajin jizan pa jishedin ko nong no ma polo yalla Kali Bindira Choggu nawi sai zungo dabsilma katra ku yarma dimmin pawoma so hala nyanga anya ka jima kulchena kwambe nyala ban Canada pune ya chwana yili samban ka te bemo yalla chwa dezo te nong so kamar habi ban pumbe chongo mban na bakana zasa yeb kana ka jima ma ti changve yalanga ana ku yul currently nta tora kabna torma and lalata tapti demo ma dina shangana nyala din yankana and ayuli shabba pundir bindira kati yarso kamza ha ya be kanta nyimba za kamna te inde gadene nta jimo ma nyala jishel din na non de tuli dina jin non lo shapolo nta first time of the kind kar non de mboma dezo tinzan pour sunti amina pana domi bukbang man punu ka jimo ma kan na woma katmata ma hakadama ni jimo ma kul nyala din yan toe onko to chana domi ngoma yi bien de pansira da bankalne taada domi ayul den shelben demno ma de kayma puni shelambo wa shelambo ma en karata tapte na ngedin yan kana de zotin non so kan marhabi kala pansira kadama e ku be jima kar chambia yulumbo na bumwaz ay ko be lolo kam GAIDA-COM TV zombo
Dari mpaya ni kando mana na wani barka na yini lara yi kando mana da nyala alkhairi za ta talzanti gana ni alkhairi za ta talzanti daban kuma zan yi alkhairi za ta talzanti jamane razon puya ka pai domin yin kana ne da tumta da shelma lara yi to ma nyala bai shawo din yan banse daban ta da ma tunda pilgisham tun kwale shi ya sham ka tun da pilgi sham ka ti shema din da pilgi sham ma mi zuwa din ma dele bi fen yara ron zo nduma na un bannam da yinya da ban pilgi ma ni ra ni sham ka ta kana zuwa tlan be sham lala bi nyar ban sama din yara ban shadin yan nan amfani ti da ban din yara ban shadin yan nan amfani ti jamani yanzu mun poya ka pai ni yin kana ni te zan ban sim shele ngu jamaatu ma na wani barkan na wani faale no
yab chana yab sakoena mbana manama pasara ne na chimba unkam yoje kana chongo zongo imaba kapal yuli audu ina kanda tili zugo dijuma ni chan juma woyim bongo niara nyami natilab negi pour ha bandri shanga yala nirbu tamda be shabne bami din chaka so habiane asa yisna yanum dama zira kane vachu angontre northern traditional meals Maku kela yu am bam ya ma yu la bang na sanjungo da bang sanje parlement de barkia katlam ma ngo sam chango chango mi sing pala mbo nzanzalna wala signale che maliao to so kaman zire ma ya shali sham yelma na ba bor kan shimli ka kahla nore muslimi sedel pam do bala fe ka ba bor nirba zo ko ba biyale ya fami no bi sha ba ko kwarla ma ka ba far so transmission ka ko mo la project la tu'ruf inzira da la fe zo ka tan ba yelma no mo yirbo na ba ma yemile min kaptial ka se na ku kwa kwa de za ta ta banchini ka ja ma berselen la de pam jana de pala ta bango ka be malle ama ti janam da yulum yae ka dar le zal da jia antonia ka pa ju wo ko ba zu ka zang le tam tam na ma fum fum de na mbombo la za kuran ma nan ku zan kana ti zan tam zan wo ne rawa to ya domini bindira kam nyala de charmana saha so saha kan kan to nam zan table sure kanan sobolo kala non foha dan be man ko lene man hello sumbiere
in the vibrant heart of northern Ghana, where the savannah stretches wide, lies a treasure trove of flavors, from bustling farms to flea markets to welcoming kitchens. Yamwanda and Sam, a delightful blend of maize and millet, stirred with love, brings comfort and make merry, for it is Kali Bindira. Thank you.
Bati da shawana kanyala da yishalna Ghana ta fukwarba na Ghana gwamnatin mabin ta zayi zancen Kali Bindira duk kobo da bi za'a zan kwartura kanyala Afrika zaha ya tu'an yale don zo da ya kamata la Kali Bindira ma kamantin kana tijin shal zuwa kata pangsil adin nungwa ma Kali Bindira Choggu ma di tuya nir wulga pam ka bindi bi miri yala ka bi bang don de dan fan zan chang da bilgo ni ta mamang da lafi na an duniya nam tera de dan fani zan chang ta mamang kalzo tu as te penser so chonga dunia dunia song karman penser
to chief nande sugu jiwo ma wula karnan tala nzanta ka to ku yisi yamane kanada
to mpoya pam kapai bangar jiwo ma to ne karzan ma tanta poba pam do man den nyet kalma ala fe nyakale don ala fe kana ko to wa kale ala fe ma ba yirshal pulan palat bandira punene te biagone dagban kurame bandira de kale the chokat jingoma den zo silmisi ane highly important den chaka banda yalmale kayna shana shal kamta hani be now you kone nukusa kana kente jine pilguma halana bago de zoare nyala be shadin tunite pangsa pam kamaner yalma haldi nyala dabil gugba dagban kura kal bendira ma de mal amfana gartun kor bendir shangama don pukor nyangba dila nyala lafi karmala lafi gartun kor bi shaka dirmagwa dila nyala kaman jinagu be biagu diyan cha biagu chamtone karla malal barka pam de babandi selmesin bono be shaka climate change resilience adaptation and mitigation te kalban dira ma te yan ma bramila de mon ma za kurumbura ma za ha diyan cha te climate adaptation karayela buto dinye an duniya nam tiare de pangsubu be diyan nan sham katmamanga kat guso yan zanchang anduye nam tiara de muya to amosara ne besham don de yirshal na irin sanzale irin ka kompam karagalsi de moza halit da bambandira na tikaya bandira ma de mal amfani pam de zoncha ndaya na kawana na besha kamza hanik kana nti jini nsong ka ntabe na bapre chona tinya nan sham npangsele kadagban karatito ni zanchang tikaya bandira polo kadagban katmal amfani kadagban katmal alafi de babandi bandir shatin jira kaya ta kal bandira
ma dim sora
Ilan bone Aisha Golden. Golden.
Okay. So dim so stasha dalitin ta hana chong.
Ya male zungo te kam na te tatam son ta mabia.
Okay.
Amina do orogu.
Okay.
Onyala be pombal so mo mal pang mang pam. Mo mal pang mang pang zan chanta kayene te tada polo. De ba bande te Kali Bindira. Nta ya Bindira pam jane karanya la de borgame be de bargame. Ka tinambi pola ngo ka te pamba mele. Mami na nyala pasar bil so ŋun kpa ŋo maŋa ni o chɛ ka ti teegi ni bindiri shɛŋa daa be Dagbaŋ ka nyɛ anfaani bindirigu n mali ti alaafee ka lan mali ti ka ti lan wumdi nyaɣasim laa bindira puuni to n zaɣa zuŋo man kɔhirila binnyura o ku niŋdi shɛm maa din kan gba niŋda n gba tooi niŋdi Dagbaŋ bindira n tiri di niŋ ka buchi biɛni office nima occasion kam ti tooi niŋda.
So the way I need
yes. So zungo manenzang golden special beverages. Tamal ture, becho, malizam kwam. Tamal zanang da banyur shale. Kamale nansa akwam. Kamale sobolo. Nsa te bakuna la da banyura kana na tata song shingoma.
That's fine. So injaniti non yeto awala. So dinan ka so boare lala anang na benshawma yeko no to bon.
So okubol to tangal me so dinanya 024 82600098 024 82600098 obelo le kam ten chanta sebo tenyala mobile to ko gande ma ko belo le kam kamal buchi abana to kana tan set up ta ka to kana me barka na ka to zana tata.
That's beautiful. We have a celebration here, and today is the first time it is happening here. How did you find it necessary to come here?
I was just excited to learn more. Some people that I know were helping organize, and I know I've tried some traditional foods before, and they're amazing. So I thought I would come out.
Okay. So those foods that they are organizing here, they said it has some kind of impact in our body. I don't know. Have you tasted any of those foods?
Yeah, I mean tiger nut, sobolo, fonio. I think those are the big ones. And they've all been delicious.
Okay. So have you taken coffee before?
I haven't, but I see them everywhere. Yeah,
okay,
I'll have to try.
I think you have to.
I have to try. I've taken TZ.
Wow, you've taken TZ.
I've taken TZ.
So how does it taste like?
It's nice. It takes a minute. It's a little different. We don't have so many fermented foods, so sometimes it takes a minute to get used to it. But they're nice.
So is it that you've heard this particular program somewhere that brought you here, or you came here because of it?
Everyone was talking about it on social media, so that I thought on WhatsApp, so I thought I'd check it out.
Okay, that's beautiful. Thank you so much for having time with me. Yeah. All right. So bye. So answer them, madam.
Naam.
Dimsora.
You look Kausada.
Kausada, madam Kausada. So Dimsora, you know me yaro.
Tinamsule. Because company shana katutumda. Bida it's timebela jisona yele.
So la company ma yin jila la particular ben sharan be chona.
Tinam jelena tinam mamang mandele. So ben shakam dinyala Dagbam benzira nyale karnya te kale ben yahare.
Starting with bida item ma karnya ni breakfast cereal. Okay, maize mbalama. So the way ani okay zan kawana kawana
sinzan kawana kazan solo bis kazan bombono ben shafoni ma dagba bero fune kasma gba bero fune. So then pahay ka ntapaha kawana ma ba diza ti chimleme pahay rezo le nyamle karanang so to bonne le Tom Brown.
Wow. So ni bela
beat jisona yele Central Mox ma nyanga katibe.
So dinan kanir bor kama ngoma ala ko no to malkan.
Tuma zakarungo dinyala 20 series tuma 10 series dene tuma 5 series dene so anko kanaya taraga anto da.
So sonto nyangoma kati hane maybe benyo be zakura be zakana to.
So kam no to nule and especially tuma le shinkafa den batche shinkafa den ma dinyala behe kama bi ya den bon kama bi ya chira yobu kama mala ay kwala kana mok nang dana de mala sara la kam ber fune so kam no to nule especially tiza kuranwa amashinka fa denwo har bebehe o ya yuma chira yobu onto nule so kam no to nule de jalpam de woma gba ya la 20 series so tamala za papa bambon so de zabel man ber fune maria la 15 series ama zabel fa shel gba ber ne 5 series biane ka 10 series biane so am bor shale anto kanani mane.
So thank you so much. maybe
Ti mal granola gba. So to product mbala. Di nyala ben wobrgo nyale. Karzal pamti so kam behinin kura so kam berfune. Ba ti zangla agujin nangle. Nye sma nye pumpkin seeds ka shunat bin shakam bira la fe ben nyale. Nirba pam ben mine kaptiale de mal popcorn ba kaptiale popcorn katizang de ba berfune. Ngoma yala 40 cities. Ba ti mal zabla 10 cities biane 15 so an kana ya targa Antonia Leda. So Tamale biscuits da and biscuits mami basa. Dinyala zikura nyukura bebe so kam no to de nangale. Tuzangla kaptiale nzang pahe boroboro zim benem pahe. Like ala fe benzang wulijo. To bona be sha sweet potato wulijo jema denem bedo funi. Masoka mi the dala fe ni nyesha. So this is a bedo funi.
So thank you so much.
You're welcome. So thank you so much.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you too.
Please, your name?
My name is Elizabeth. Most people call me Lizzie.
Lizzie. Okay, that's beautiful. So are you the owner of these particular things?
Yes, this is mushrooms and I'm the owner of it.
Wow.
And this is oyster mushrooms to be precise.
So what is the use of this particular thing?
So mushrooms are also another source of protein for vegans. But that doesn't mean it's only vegetarians who consume it. Anyone can consume it and it's very nutritious, most especially for children. So research has shown that if you combine mushrooms with beans for children, there's possible that they will get the same nutrition they will get from consuming beef, just cow meat. So mushrooms are really nutritious.
Wow, that's beautiful. So how is it prepared?
You mean to grow this or to consume it?
Yes, to consume it. So, is it that you just leave it this way and take it, or there's the process that it has before you?
No, you have to introduce this to whatever you are cooking.
Okay.
So the dried ones, I always say that are perfect for soups. So if you are making your light soup, your groundnut soup, your palm nut soup, all you need to do is to add it to your meat and you steam it. Okay. Then you add your other ingredients and your soup is ready. Okay. If you are also vegan, then you can take away the meat part and just steam this like the way you usually steam your normal meat. Okay. And you just cook your soup. And so with the fresh ones, you can also use them to do your stew. Okay. You can use it to do your omelette. Anything you want to cook, you can just explore a lot with mushrooms.
That's beautiful. So where are you located? Where do you locate? So if someone wants to contact you.
Okay, so in Tamale, we are in communities. We train women in rural areas to grow these mushrooms and we sell it for them. Okay. But we also have a farm in Jana. Yes. So we are also on TikTok at Lizzie Bash 1. Okay. And on LinkedIn we are also Bashiru Elizabeth. Okay. Yes.
Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So is there any contact maybe you can mention to the viewers out there if they want to contact you so that they can call?
Okay. So if you want to call us, you can call us on 0599 167485. Call 0599 167485. And you can also WhatsApp us on 0551 728446.
Okay. So if one needs to buy this, how much is it cost?
So this particular pack is 50 cedis. On a normal day, we weigh them and sell them. So we have a kilo for 300 cedis. Okay. And 2 of these makes a kilo. Okay. So this is 500 grams. So 2 of these will give you 300 cedis. For just this pack, it's 150 cedis. Okay. But with the fresh one, a kilo is 35 cedis.
Yes, pa. First, I started some kind you see. Kat nang pama, anak pama, kanang vegetables man. Ako nang kama, wajar la sama, demi vegetables man. Kam nang zaman nang umwale, kama sam la sama. So I mwale karnang tisai ambarsham, antola nung kwama, antola shelzari. Karanto kwama la nung la mwan, hal kartan nung. So this I don't want to makama shinkafa, ma dele melezem. Ya melezem ka mal mwandele. The paya.
Tali umpuya kapai dominati talanda sungun iko kay ning niya shali nzang kana chwatang bane chwanda yele ne de sang la yergmana tu jama'atu to shima min shin ma paya na wuce ka yin ko shem kelma na wannan me iko dingar lala kan wana wannan me iko dingar lala domin kun kam Chewotuma kakanat jini. Nya lala jisheltin jinma. Na onyo fakam samvielle. To mpuru sunkana sakwena sani. Ndate talumbala. Ko chewonna matuba bin shakam kakanat jini to anayi sambane. No di shahra zan kan la'angu mam puya ka pa. Na onyo mo samvielle. Wana yela ngun ba ken toni. Na on tahmo bayile. Nabi ngune bor shambala. Nabi bor makane na on tahmo bayile. So na on sumo. To yimi karake ma yande zamé la soro bangsam tuma kay tunu ma na on yibti ni bangsam o ko to nyangu ma hankale na on pa me yi bangsam ma na on kwansi me yi bangsam ma ka pa ya soro na on balan gada tembare